Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a teardown of the CE-Link 3000 watt portable power station. We'll explore the intricacies of how it functions from the inside. This powerhouse can charge your devices numerous times and even has the capacity to run larger appliances like a TV, power tools, or cooking appliances for hours, perfect for those times when you're out camping or in need of off-grid power. The CE-Link doesn't sell to the public or other end users. Instead, it is sold in the form of OEM or ODM. I've seen some advertisements of the power station in some airports in Asia. Seemingly, the product is promoted heavily in Asian markets. This is so unfortunate for American consumers because I've tested the CE-Link for more than 6 months and really love it. I connect the CE-Link to my solar panels, and the setup always provides enough power for my garage in the summer. I can use my air fryer, recharge batteries for my power tools, and use it during power outage. Its solar input can take up to 800 watts. Besides, I expand the battery capacity with a 2.56 kilowatt-hour battery pack, so the total capacity of my setup is over 5 kilowatt-hour. I can even charge my EV when needed. Now, let's get into the teardown. A word of caution as we start. The product contains a significant amount of power, making it more dangerous to disassemble than typical electronics like cell phones. This is not a DIY task, and attempting to do so will void the warranty. The unit is secured with multiple screws, both at the back and along the sides. As we open it up, we notice that the design smartly integrates plastic clamps in the build, reducing the need for an excessive number of screws. The first screws are found under the top rubber band, which, once removed, allow the top to be removed. The next step is to disassemble the 2 wheels on the 2 sides. You can pry off the covers and then use an Allen wrench to remove the wheels. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws. Slightly lift up the side covers to remove them. Equipped with an Anderson interface, the system is great for 12-volt RV battery charging. It can be powered efficiently by PV solar energy, making it a sustainable charging option. Additionally, it has the capability to output power to an RV battery, effectively substituting traditional RV solar converters. This dual charging functionality not only allows for flexibility in terms of energy sources, but also simplifies the setup for RV users. The integration of solar energy charging supports a reduced dependency on grid power and enhances the system's portability. The 2 sides are almost free of components, but the remaining parts are packed with interesting hardware. There are 2 fans on the front and 2 fans on the back, with air vents on the plastic covers to cool the circuits during power conversion or when multiple devices are being powered simultaneously. After taking off some pieces on the side, I went ahead and disassembled the BMS cover. The BMS monitors battery cells to guarantee the current can charge and discharge safely without damaging the battery. On top of the power station, you can see the MPPT board and inverter board. They stay on top of each other inside the aluminum casing. The MPPT board plays an important role in optimizing the efficiency of solar panels. Its primary function is to intelligently track and find the point at which the solar panel can deliver its maximum power output. This is crucial because solar panel efficiency can be influenced by various factors like temperature and the amount of sunlight. The MPPT board ensures that solar installations operate with maximum efficiency, thereby improving the reliability and performance of solar power systems. On the board, you can see that the resistors, capacitors, integrated circuits, inductors, and other components are neatly arranged. They take advantage of available space to make the boards more compact and consequently decrease the size of the power station. Notably, the manufacturer uses caps on capacitor here. They are in the third tier and slightly cheaper than Samsung capacitor found in the EcoFlow Delta Pro power station. On the other hand, the inverter board converts DC to AC, the form of electricity commonly used in households and by a wide array of electronic devices. It must handle varying levels of input voltage from the solar panels or batteries and convert this to a consistent and reliable AC output. In addition to conversion, the inverter board also includes features such as overload protection, temperature control, and even smart functions for monitoring and optimizing power usage. One thing I notice is that white glue is used all over the place, on the board and on connections. This is very important because the parts could get loose during transit or normal usage. The glue does a great job in keeping all the parts in place. Besides, the station utilizes bi-directional inverter technology. It includes an integrated power circuit that allows for direct charging from the mains, eliminating the need for external adapters or chargers. The bidirectional capability of the inverter enables a seamless transition between charging from the mains and discharging to appliances. This simultaneous charge-discharge process improves the system's overall efficiency and user-friendliness, offering a more cohesive energy management solution. Finally, after removing some more screws, we've reached the batteries, which are well protected on all sides. The lithium-ion battery pack offers a significant capacity of 2,560 watt-hours. Notably, the battery life is longer than industry average, offering up to 4,000 full charge and drain cycles before hitting 80% of original capacity. A smaller power station like the Bluetti AC200L offers just 3,000 cycles. The battery is designed with a UPS functionality, ensuring that power is always available even in the event of a grid failure. This feature is essential for maintaining the continuity of power for critical appliances and devices. Along with UPS, it also includes voltage stabilization and filtering capabilities. These features ensure that the power output is consistent and free from voltage spikes or drops, which can be harmful to sensitive electronic equipment. The voltage stabilization works to smooth out any fluctuations in input power, providing a steady and reliable energy source. The filtering aspect further purifies the electrical output, safeguarding against electrical noise that could interfere with the operation of connected devices. As you can see, the CE-Link is a sophisticated product with really good build quality. It is not difficult to disassemble the power station, and it probably won't damage the product if you're careful. If you need to reassemble the unit, pay attention to ensure all components are properly connected. Stay tuned for more reviews in the future.